Well, had a couple of drinks last night because I was feeling better. What a mistake that was. Hungover this morning. I'm not feeling well. Got some oatmeal here, laying down outside. Got a tour at 2 p.m. so hopefully I can cure this thing before then. And yeah, so keep you posted. Okay, got money at the last second. Now I'm going on my tour.
Either way, they pick you up.
Off to Pacaya. On the way to Pacaya. Oh, pretty wild. Made it. Three kilometers up, 3 kilometers down. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll pay the entrance fee and then, yeah. Gracias. Hola. Oh.
¿De qué país?
Canada.
Bienvenido. ¿Baño?
Oh, no, not yet. I don't have to go, but I'm like, do I try anyways? Like, I don't know. Here's where you pay. This is our guide Roberto, and this is my group here, my little family for my walk. We're gonna have a good time. They're following us with the horses to see if we want to ride, but you never know. I might need one, but we'll see. Whew, I'm making it. A little bit dying, but I'm making it. We got cloud cover though. Hopefully that clears up for sunset, but highly unlikely. That's okay. We went up and up and up. And okay. All right, this is more my jam. Here, oh my God. Holy crap, I thought I was gonna die. But the clouds are in. See a little bit of a view up there. Holy moly. We're in the clouds.
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh wow, look at that. That's Pacaya.
The lava is 1 year, not year.
Wow. Oh. You don't, obviously there, you don't hike up there.
No.
You burn, right? Because I'm like, thank freaking God we're not going up there. Whew. Yeah. We made it. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I did. Look at that. Oh. Making our way to the hot steam over there. I'm debating on if I should take one of these lava rocks home with me. Is that your dog, Roberto? Huh? Is that your dog? Oh wow. You feel the heat? Wow. Oh wow, look at that.
That's really marshmallow.
Oh wow, that is super hot.
¿Quieren marshmallow? No.
Roasted marshmallows on the volcano.
It's hot. Caliente. 2 or 3?
2, it's fine. Oh wow. That's something. Oh yes, I'm not going any closer. Cheers!
Cheers.
Oh, my marshmallow stuck to yours.
Where the crack, in the crack is the steam. You can see over there como the peak, it's small over there.
Yeah.
Little, okay, the steam little over there is where the collapse, not the crater. The little steam little up where the hole,
Yeah.
where collapse, where lava flow up, flow down.
Nice.
Fish.
Fisher.
The fisher. Fisher.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. Like this, other side.
What?
You can see the hill over there. You can see the little
Yeah, like
hill.
just below like the big.
wait, only one more.
Okay.
Where the lava flow over there.
Wow.
Where lava for 2 months. Every day. Every day.
2 months. That's a long time. You have to come here at a special time, I guess, to see that.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Yeah, you.
That's crazy.
Wow.
The windy?
Yeah, the wind.
Over there, the wind? Yes. Over there. No coming here. Very fast.
Okay, well, we're starting to head back down. Bye-bye, Pacaya. Till next time. There's a cow halfway up the trail here, just munching on some God knows what. Whew! Well, had a hospital visit, got an IV, got some sickness medication, paying $700 just to be able to stay now. Oh my God, what a freaking mistake. Hating myself right now for all of this stuff, but I'm just hoping now that no more problems, because I'm not paying another $800 or whatever to change my flight again. So, oh boy, life is just up and down for me at the moment, but that's okay. So I'm gonna head out now and go get myself a smoothie, try to eat something, since that's probably what's gonna make me feel 100% better, and then yeah, I guess I'll pick you guys up later. Well, I haven't been videotaping this trip a lot because I was sick, and then plus I haven't been doing much because I was sick. But heading to the grocery store now, and then to Claro to see about getting getting a SIM card for my phone, so that way I can have data on the go, and go to the grocery store. Other than that, things are okay. My stomach's still kind of off, but at least I've been able to eat stuff. So now we're just, you can really see the volcano right now. I'll show you guys a thing. Look at that volcano. Hola, ¿tú hablas inglés? No, ¿eh? Yo quiero comprar un SIM para mi teléfono.
Cuesta 50 quetzales.
50.
Ok, sí. Uno, sí. Sí. ¿Cuánto? Oh, oh. Yo no tengo mi pasaporte. Oh.
¿Picture?
Picture? No. ¿Está ok? Yo no tengo mi pasaporte.
Sí.
Ok. Gracias. Mi español es malo, lo siento.
My English is bad, no?
Bad, there you go. Not bad. That's all right.
Sí. One moment.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Yo tengo nunca comprar un SIM before, so solo Canada comprar SIM, so yo no sé.
No, que eso la compró tu
Como mi teléfono? I bought a SIM card. Told me to wait 5 minutes and then the internet will start working, so hallelujah. I can't believe I actually ordered that whole thing in Spanish. So proud of myself. Oh my god. Can you tell I'm like pumped? Now to go get my groceries. I had to leave my groceries in a locker, I guess. Understandable, I guess, but just weird because you don't do that in Canada, but hey, who cares? A lot of people in here. Ticket here. Hola. My locker. Okay. Making my way. All right, I'm gonna go see if I can catch the last shuttle to Hobotenango before I gotta leave tomorrow, and then, yeah, so just letting you know what's up. Hopefully I can make it up there. Wish me luck. So one more block and then we're there. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. Perfect time to go to Hobotenango. Kind of sad that I'm not staying now because I'm feeling pretty good now, but that's exactly what happened the last time, and then I started getting sick that night, so I'm not gonna assume that I'm all good now, so just gonna stick with my plan for going home. But I will be back because I need to do Akatenango and Samuk Champay at some point, so. Hobotenango oficina? Sí, gracias. Hola. Buenas noches, or no, sorry, buenos días. ¿Tú hablas inglés? ¿Es demasiado tarde para Hobotenango?
Bien.
Okay. Hello. ¿Es demasiado tarde para Hobotenango?
¿Por hoy?
Sorry, lo siento, mi español es malo.
For today?
Sí.
Yes, the last one for the transport is at 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, at least I tried. Okay, thank you. Well, that's a bummer. That they don't. That the last one is at 2. So I'm gonna see if there's another way to get up there, but highly unlikely that I'm gonna go now. That's kind of sad, but oh well. It is what it is. Should have got off my ass earlier, but I was hanging out with people and talking, which is not a bad thing either. So, you know, such is life. Sometimes you can't do it. Okay. So tú es cerrado. Oh, 6. Okay, gracias. De nada. Well, 6 o'clock. Well, there's no time to go to Hobotenango, so that's kind of sad, but Next time I come to Antigua, that's what I will do. I'll come to Acatenango, Hobbitenango, and then Lake Atilan and all that stuff. Still really sad that I'm not going to Lake Atilan and all that other stuff. But I'm still not eating the greatest. Like, I'm feeling 100% right now, but I guarantee you that's going to change by tonight if I don't get more food into me, which I'm having a really hard time eating. So it's just not going to work out, you know? So it is what it is. I spent too much time hanging out with people and trying out the slack line and stuff. I got a couple of pictures of that, so I'll post that. But other than that, I guess I'm just hanging out at Selena for the rest of the day and then getting ready to leave tomorrow. So yeah. Oh well. I could get up there, but then even if I did by taxi, I'd probably only get about like 15 minutes at the actual Hobbitenango place, so I don't think it's worth it, but oh well. Guess I'll go and hang out with my friends again. Okay, later. Heading out to the bar crawl. Quite the nightlife out here. Woo.
Si tú me lo pides, yo me porto bonito. Pa' que tú
¿Ya te vienes para acá o qué? Ya para de tu mierda, loco. Ya las piernas que te...
Well, I ditched everybody at the bar because I'm starting not to feel well again, of course, because it's nighttime. But, so just heading back to the hostel and I'm gonna try to go to sleep. Alright, wish me luck. Well, just waiting for breakfast. Had anxiety last night, took another anxiety pill. Not feeling the greatest this morning, so I'm actually really glad that I'm going home today. Last night was fun, but yep, so heading home at 1:30, going to be heading to the airport at 10. It's currently like only 7, so it's going to be a rough day, but I'll make it. So just waiting on oatmeal, and then I'm going to go lay down and then wait for the time to go. All right. Holy shit, guys, I lost my passport going through the scanner. They lifted up the rolls and sure enough it was under there. What a friggin' scary moment that was. Whew, almost had a freaking heart attack. Now I just gotta go to my gate, settle in and relax till I'm ready to board. Alright, catch you on the flip side. Oh, and also they took my scissors out of my little care kit, tiny ass scissors, and my nail file, and also my lighter. I don't know how I was able to travel here with it, but then I can't go back home with it. It's kind of weird, but whatever. Same thing happened in Mexico City on the way back from Peru, so it is what it is. Just let them take it and move on. Holy crap, guys. My flight was half an hour late leaving from Guatemala. I have less than an hour to make my connecting flight. I'm already on the other side of 2 different customs and I'm making my way to my gate. I think I have plenty of time, but holy crap, I am never taking such a short layover again. I can tell you that because now I'm running. Whew. All right. See you in Toronto. Hopefully.